Hey friends, how you doing? It's lunchtime and I have been thinking about these grapes that I've had in the freezer for a little while, and I thought maybe I would make a PB&J smoothie. So I jumped on here so I could share it with you in case you want to give it a try. So what is going to go into this smoothie of these frozen grapes? So that would be like the jelly part of your PB&J, right? And then I've got some powdered peanut butter. Hey, if you don't have powdered peanut butter, no worries. Just use regular peanut butter, anywhere from a teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending on how peanut buttery you want it. That smells really good. And then I'm gonna reach for my, I always forget to do this, you guys. Okay, hold on. There, okay. I'm gonna reach for the French vanilla life shake for this one. That should be delicious. And so I've got 2 scoops of the life shake, and I'm just gonna jump in and get this made. So for the base of my smoothie, I'm gonna use this coconut milk. I've been using this a lot, probably, I don't know, I think I found it like last year, and I've just been using it a lot ever since. So I'm gonna add, let's see, about a cup or so of the coconut milk. Now, you use any kind of milk base that you want. Almond milk, regular milk, heck, you can even use water if you want. And I'm gonna actually add a little bit of filtered water to make it a little bit thinner. And then I'm gonna put in my grapes. I think I maybe have about a half a cup of grapes in here. Hold on. There, okay. And then I'm gonna add the peanut butter. And then this is 2 scoops of the French vanilla life shake mix. Cover on. Give this a good, okay, I think that's good. So, let's see if I blended it enough. Oh yeah. You can see little bits of grape in there. It smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. That is very peanut buttery and just delicious. Well, here's to your good health. See you later, you guys. Thanks for tuning in.